So guys, I made this beautiful headband for our famous Sasha B. Akeyama, Sasha of Lagos, and I thought to share with you guys on the process how I made it. If you want to see how I made it, please continue watching this video to the end. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Alright, to start off, we're going to be using two cutouts, 35 inches of our Aso Oke material. So you need a thick material for this. Now we're going to be joining these two as usual. So this is what it looks like after joining it. So I'm going to be turning it and straightening it all out. So now you're going to flip it to the wrong side, straight it all out, and then at the edge you're going to fold it like I'm doing. So you're going to fold it like this. So next thing you're going to do is to put them together like this. Then you're going to run your stitch just like my fingers are showing you. You're going to repeat the same thing on this other side. Fold it, put it together, and run your stitch. Now this is what it looks like after running your stitch. This is what you should be getting. This is what you're aiming to get. Now once you're done with that, you're going to be forming a gathers with your needle and thread. So you just form a gathers from one end of the Aso Oke to the other end. Now where you're going to be forming that gathers is the side that has an opening. So you'll be forming your gathers just like I'm doing. Once you're done forming the gathers, you're going to pull the thread, pull it to the end, and then you secure your thread. Now I'm adjusting the Aso Oke so that it can puff up a little bit. Once you're done doing that, you're going to keep it aside and we'll come back to it. Next, I'm going to be attaching my Alice band to this puff-off that we've already done, this Aso Oke that we just made. Now I'm trying to adjust it a little bit so that it can lap flat on my Alice band. I have a video where I made an Alice band, how I make Alice band, how I cover it with material or with your Aso Oke, whatever material you're using. Please, I'll leave the link on it on the screen here. Go check it out and then you come back. Now what I did is to put a generous amount of hot glue on the Alice band on where I want to put this Aso Oke on, and I'm giving it a good press hold. So this is what I'm going to be doing until I've properly and finally lapped all or the rest of the Aso Oke on the Alice band. Watch and you will understand. As you're adding the glue, just make sure that when you're lapping it, you're also checking the back to make sure that the back is well placed and is lapping properly. Right now I'm folding the end of this Aso Oke so that it will give it the shape that I want, the shape that I desire. But if you feel you have another shape you want to give it, go ahead and do that. But for me, this is what I want. I still went on ahead to puff it up a little bit because I really want this to look puffy. That's why I'm doing it like this. So now after that, after gluing, you don't just stop there. You also go back with your needle and thread and you tack the loose ends. You don't just leave it like that. Tack it down to the Alice band. Right now, if you've gotten to this point of this video and you already like what you're seeing, or you already like all my videos and you're not yet a subscriber, how about you just tap on that red button and subscribe, then you join the family. You're welcome. Guys, thank you so much. My subscribers, I see all you guys have been doing. I'm so grateful and I'm happy. Thank you so much. And to those who have been commenting on my videos, I see you guys. Thank you so much. And if you have any question on this video, don't forget to ask me. I will gladly answer you. Don't forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe. Very important. Thank you. Once you're done tacking it, make sure you secure it properly. So now this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to share my video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.